Okay. Start off by going www.gigarts. I wasn't fast enough. One more, then back. Now back. Kilo 9, Romeo Mike Romeo, Randall, Matthew, Rueff at Comcast.net. Alright, yeah. What does this 7610 Ethernet port allow? Okay, faster radio setup via import of settings from other users, remote online gaming, remote operation using faster radio setup via import settings. Yeah. Who knows? It might be online gaming. I seriously doubt it, but that's. Yeah, let's look her up. Because I want that extra entry! I don't want the PDF. Okay. To watch each receiver separately else upwards. The band easier, connect the PC mouse port with additional Ethernet. Computer is not. Well, I knew that. I knew the computer wasn't required, but obviously, but RF direct 17 things level with advanced RMDR. I'm still trying to figure out what that is. My initials with D in the middle there. Whether it's innovative RF direct sampling, astonishing custom independent dual receiver, Digicel for main sub bands, high quality speaker sound. Alright, come on, where is it? Dual receiver. I know all that. Well, not all this stuff, obviously. But some. Okay. Whether from a remote part of the home, QT remote somewhere around, enables you to operate the IC. I know that. Not only can you control the radio settings, I know that, receive and transmit, you're able to display a single band with the waterfall with the addition of the Ethernet connector, a base station. It's not required. That's cool. I understand that part. You don't have to have a computer. You can just click it to the Ethernet. But okay, other else. CW mode. Okay, let's read the answers here to see which one. Close that off. Let's see. Okay, cloud storage. Okay, it's not online gaming, and it's not cloud storage, obviously. It sounds like this is. I'm going to go with this one. I mean, I know it can do it without needing a PC connection. That's probably what they're going after. So, import of settings from other. I'm going with this one. I mean, we know it can do that, and it. Yeah, that's got to be the answer, based on everything. So let's do it. Yep, I figured it probably was. I mean, because it said that's what it said, but that top answer might have been the answer, but this is definitely the answer. So there you go. So until next time, Kilo 9 Romeo Mike Romeo. That's K9RMR, aka Randall and Rueff, 973.